Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Summer Wave's 24-foot by 52-inch pool set with sand filter pump and maintenance kit. Spend the hot summer cooling off by your Summer Wave's Elite 24-foot frame pool. This pool kit has everything you need to set up and maintain your pool, so you spend more time chilling in the water and less time buying accessories and supplies. It comes with a sand filter pump, pool cover, ladder, ground cloth, and deluxe maintenance kit. Product benefits: includes 12-inch sand filter pump, ready for water in as little as 60 minutes. Constructed of triple-layer polyester mesh and heavy-gauge PVC material with a rust-resistant, galvanized steel frame that stands up to heavy use. For instructions on the assembly and use of the pool, see the manual. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.